So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do the updates your computer may have. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on startup apps. And now you want to disable all the apps that you don't want to start up when your computer turns on. So let's say that I don't want mobile devices to start up when my computer turns on. I'm just going to click on it and then click on disable. And now the status will change to disabled. And turn it off for the apps that you think may be causing the problem. And now for the next step, while we're still on File Explorer, you want to click on the Processes tab. And then you want to look for Windows Explorer. You might scroll down to find it. But once you find Windows Explorer, you want to click on it once. And then you want to click on Restart Task. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next step in the video. So now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on scan options. And then you want to click on full scan. And then you want to click on scan now. You want to run this full scan. And now once the full scan has been done, and this one's also been done as well, the SFC scan now and CMD, then for the final scan, you want to run the Microsoft Defender offline scan. And then click on scan. It will then restart your computer and then run this scan in offline mode. And now once that final scan's been done, you just want to head back into Windows and then just restart your computer one final time and then the problem should be fixed.